Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin the repair of the Lenovo Yoga C8's electronic board, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a precision screwdriver set, a spudger, tweezers, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely disassembling the device without causing damage. Start by powering off the laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, use the precision screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Keep these screws organized, as they can vary in size. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the spudger. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could crack the casing. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components. Take a moment to inspect the electronic board for any visible damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you notice any debris or dust, use compressed air to clean the area. This is crucial for ensuring a proper connection when reassembling. Now, let's focus on the electronic board itself. If you find any damaged components, you will need to desolder them. For this, a soldering iron and desoldering pump are necessary. Heat the soldering iron and carefully apply it to the solder joints of the damaged component. Once the solder is melted, use the desoldering pump to remove it. Repeat this process for each damaged component. After removing the damaged parts, it's time to install the new components. Make sure to align them correctly with the board. If you're unsure about the installation, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you identify the exact issues with your device. Once the new components are in place, solder them securely to the board. Ensure that there are no solder bridges between the connections, as this could cause further issues. After soldering, clean the area again with compressed air to remove any leftover debris. Next, it's important to check the connections. Use a multimeter to test for continuity on the board. This step is vital to ensure that everything is functioning correctly before reassembling the laptop panel. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get help without the hassle of calls or travel. Once you've confirmed that the board is functioning properly, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the device and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned correctly to avoid any gaps. Finally, power on the laptop to test if the repair was successful. If everything is working as expected, congratulations! You've successfully repaired the electronic board of your Lenovo Yoga C8. If you're not comfortable performing these repairs yourself, remember that we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front before proceeding with any work. This way, you can make an informed decision about your device's repair needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.